So, you probably clicked on a video to get the information about how people are actually making money from meme coins. So, that's what I'm gonna be guiding you through today. In a very short amount of time, you will be able to learn how to create a meme coin and how to advertise it. Well, first of all, how do you create a meme coin? Well, that's pretty simple. You go on pump.fun. Well, there are many other websites as well, but I'm currently gonna be showcasing pump.fun. After this, you're just gonna see how it works. He's teaching you step-by-step guide on how to actually create a meme coin. I'm gonna press I'm ready to pump. Then on top right screen, you're gonna see connect wallet. You're gonna click that and you're gonna connect your wallet. Here are all of the wallets you can connect. You can also use Phantom wallet. I'm gonna be connecting my account and I'll get back to you guys. So after connecting your wallet, you will be redirected to a new page where you're gonna see on my page there is a button that's white that says start a new coin. You're just gonna click that. So first of all, we are gonna choose a name of our coin. For an example, let's say Doge. Then ticker. So basically ticker is shortened name of your meme coin. So for an example, for Ethereum, ETH, for Bitcoin, BTC, those are all. So basically I'm gonna put in T0G3 as my ticker right now. So in description, the more information you type about your meme coin is gonna be way better for you. You're gonna get way more attention. So after putting description, I'm just gonna spam random and let's see. After that, you can choose a picture or a video, whichever you like. Just like that, I'll be choosing a Doge. Then you just click create a new coin. Then you put how much you want to invest in your new coin. I'm gonna put 0.0 because I'm just creating a tutorial. Then you just click create, wait for it. Bam! Here, look at this. Created a new coin on bottom right of your screen. So you're gonna be redirected to this page, which actually shows you your own coin that you just created. It's gonna show you chart and everything. But I mainly recommend creating some socials like Twitter, Instagram, maybe TikTok, maybe Telegram, and actually trying to get some attention, maybe get some followers and advertise your coin there. Now, after doing that, after creating your socials, what I would recommend is that I discovered like 2 days ago, memify.fun. This is a website that actually allows you to create your website with a click of a button, and I was really impressed by that, to be honest. Yeah, look, I just type D0G3. I click next. Boom, I'm on a new page where I can choose pictures. First of all, you can choose templates. So boom, you can click 2 templates, classic and basic. You can choose whichever you like, to be honest. I like the classic one better. Then if you click on edit name, you can select project name. Let's say Doge. Then you can input your own Twitter link, your Telegram link, project info, ticket. So I'm gonna type here. Contact address could be anything. I'm just gonna type random. Description. Again, the more, the better. Images. You can choose any image. I'm gonna choose Doge again. So, bam! After uploading your picture, you're basically ready to go. You just have to link all your socials, fix your website, fix your background so it's not pixelated like mine, and you just click buy now. And you know how much it costs? 0.03 Sol, bro. That's it. That's it. That's like what, $6, $7? That's nothing, bro. So go on, check them out on memify.fun.